The AORUS Master is the definition of enthusiast hardware. It's over 3 slots thick and extremely long, so before buying, make sure your case has the clearance. That bulk comes with benefits: a WindForce triple fan cooler, a vapor chamber baseplate, and one of the most aggressive factory overclocks you'll see on a 5070 Ti. The result is excellent sustained performance under heavy loads, with stable clocks even in long gaming marathons. It's also one of the best-looking GPUs in its class. With bold RGB accents and a premium backplate, it's designed to be seen. If you're building in a glass-sided case and want your GPU to be the star of the show, the AORUS Master is hard to beat. But the trade-offs are obvious. It's big and it's expensive. You'll pay more than almost any other 5070 Ti, and you'll need a spacious case with good airflow. That makes it perfect for a very specific kind of buyer: someone who wants over-engineered cooling, strong factory tuning, and bold aesthetics, and doesn't mind the cost or size. The AORUS Master is one of the strongest 5070 Ti partner models, but it's clearly an enthusiast's card.